Hello everyone, my name is Amog Iyer and I'm going to be talking to you about how Khan Academy will make coding easy. So, I am not so good at coding and always frightened until I started understanding how to use Khan Academy and programs like Scratch Junior for playing with coding. Scratch Junior is a simple two-window programming language to help your students learn to code. This program is used extensively by Khan Academy to teach everyone how to code. It's a personalized learning resource for every person in any subject. I once did a survey about how many people use Khan Academy and is coding really important in this world today. What I got was that most of the people in my class do use Khan Academy and they use it for a different subject, but some have said that coding is not that important, but most people say that it is very important in this world today because it helps you get more jobs. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you search Khan Academy. Then you go to the topmost link. You can either sign up with or log in with your original account that you have, or you can just go in one of these three tabs. For me, I will go here because I'm a learner. And after clicking that tab, it will take you to a range of subjects ranging from maths to and others different subjects. So you can take any subjects that you want, but I'm going to be taking here computer programming because we'll be talking about coding. And you go here intro to HTML and CSS. As you can see, we get a range of different links from intro from HTML to CSS and other things and other other properties that you really need to want to learn. So in one of these links, you will see that there will be a video and an activity or a challenge that you can do. For example, from intro to HTML, I'll go here to start, and it will be a video explaining, giving you a brief explanation about the web and everything else, and giving you basic HTML basics and also different challenges that you can do. Same thing will happen to other things like intro to CSS and other things that you want to learn. But Khan Academy also has this refreshing simple challenge called Hour of Code. I have to just search it up. So this is where they allow students to interactively learn coding by giving you more videos on how to learn and draw codings. But first, say start coding now. Then it will give you all this how to start learning and make drawings with coding. It will also give you more activities that you can do, such as this activity here, and different projects you can also do. Uh, you can choose your topic or anything that you want, and it will also give you help if you don't really understand what to do. These programs are experimental, and you can see how to make these games, these coding games with real lines of codes, and change a few parameters and play with them. But what I really like is that they have an approach of using interactive talk talk throughs with videos where we write code and we talk while we are writing it, and you can see the result of the code on the right side, such as over here, and just like and you can pause it just like a video Even better than a video, you can actually edit the code that we've written and see what happens when you change it, and then you can turn it back on when you want to keep going. But then at the end of the day, my goal is to make coding as easy as reading. We want to make this a fun project for all of us. So thank you for watching my video. Please do take the time to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.